How to see who blocked you on Instagram. Instagram does not directly tell you if someone blocked you, but there are some few ways to figure it out. So first of all you have to do is open Instagram and use the search bar available there. So in the search bar, if you search for their account and if their account does not appear and you know it is active, then they may have blocked you. After that, simply check for the profile access. If you find their profile but see no post yet and can't view followers following, then they may have blocked you. Then go to the old DMs. If you had a chat before, then open it. If their profile picture and username disappeared, showing Instagram user and you can't message them, they may have blocked you or deleted their account. The most easiest way to find out is log in with a different account or ask a friend, search for their profile, and if it is shows there but not on your main account, then you are blocked. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.